What's up blokes and blokettes? You're through to Oil Works. I'm the Baldy Brit Bloke and this is my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the content, please make sure to tap the like button. This video is on Colleen, YouTube's favourite little nugget. I have been playing around with her suspension and I've dropped it quite a substantial amount, as you will see. I'm going to shut up, let's roll the tape and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Oi oi! Oi oi! Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Oi oi! Oi oi! What's up blokes and blokettes? In this video I am going to be changing Colleen's suspension to the 2-inch drop springs that I got from Up Garage in Japan. I bought new front struts with springs. These are preloaded, so I'm going to have to squeeze those down and put these springs in. Got to snap this little piece out here, this little access panel. That will get me to the back bolt. These two bolts have to be undone on both sides. I'm going to jack her up, get her sitting on some axle stands at the front, and tackle the front first. Here she is, up on her jack stands, wheels off. Got to undo these two, and then this one, and then there's a couple of little pipes that need to be just pulled off here. And then once she's hanging, there's a clip that holds this one on. So the idea is to undo these two bolts, undo this one, drop the brake rotor and control arm down so that this is just hanging, swinging, and then we're going to pop up here and do these two and the one that's down here. Go. Okay. I'm just going to whip these out. I've done this side. You probably won't be able to see it there because it's too dark. Yes, you can. I've taken that side out. That front strut is out now. There it is there. So this one I've got to dismantle. I've got to squeeze the spring together with a spring compressor. Take the spring off, take this top cap off, take the spring off and put the lowered one on. That shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to start working on this passenger side one now. Voila. So here I'm just in the process of putting on the first spring compressor. Alright. Alright. There we go. Well, this is going to be fun, isn't it? Yeah, I've got to get it's a torque. So I am winning. Trying to find the little locating bolt holes. I stupidly forgot to measure the drop at the front, so I'm just going to do it here quickly. The front is quite a bit lower. It looks quite cute. This is a couple of days later now. Pulled the wheels off quickly. That's the spring I've got to take out. So I will be undoing them here and here. This is going to be a bit of a tedious exercise because I can only do it a quarter or a third of a turn each time. And then this side the same. Spring out. These are almost ready to drop out. They've got about the length of half the nut, both sides. So I'm going to loosen it all up, and then I'm going to get under here and jack up this plate with the hydraulic car jack to compress the spring, release the shock absorber, and then slowly lower it down on the hydraulic jack. Show you what I'm doing here. So I'm jacking up this plate, like I said, on the underside here to compress the shock absorber. And what it will do is it will push the bolt out inside. I'll show you. See, now it's nice and loose, and we can just unwind that. Sweet. Take off these. Excellent. And that should just slide out now. As I lower this down, the spring will want to there we go. See, it's moving gently, and that spring should be much looser now. And the shock is almost out up there, look. Get some sense in the difference in height. Now this is what I believe they call this progressive wound, and because it's that much shorter, it's got to absorb the shocks differently. So yeah, pulled them out. This side anyway, passenger side, just going to slot that one in. Driver's side is still there, but not for long. Now I am jacking it up from the other side, lifting it back up to secure these in place again, and we should be good to go. Yeah, that's awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'll take you down quickly and show you what I've done inside. This side is just loosely tightened up. This side is poking through now. So you put this back on. All nice and happy. And that will hold it in place. Yep. Excellent. Nice. She's going to be down on the floor. Good girl. All done. New springs in, shocks tightened up at the top, all sweet in here. Just clip this back on, all sweet this side. Cushy mate, cushy. And all sorted under here. So what I'm going to do now is slap the wheels back on and drop her down. Time to get the munchkin on the ground. Moment of truth. Oh yes, the back is lower, a lot lower. Holy jumping. Looks like he's doing a flipping wheelie now. Wow. Yeah, they said it was a, I'm actually wrong, they said it was a 60mm drop. I think the back has dropped more than the front. Magic. Still, I'm going to tidy up, run her out, got to run Audrey in, and then I'm going to take this little munchkin for a wash and a drive. I don't know how easy it is to see, but she is low, like really low. I can't convey to you how happy I am with her. She looks so funny. Certainly looks better lowered. She is like low, really low. Hey! So that, blokes and blokettes, is it for this video. Thank you so very much for watching. I've had an absolute blast putting this together. Colleen, as you know, she was my first vehicle that I rebuilt, and she's got a little place in my heart. She's very dear to me. So to be able to get back into her and start getting my hands dirty in her again, and to make her look more cute and more cuddly from the outside is a bit of a laugh. I've had a blast, and I hope you've enjoyed this video too. If you have, please make sure to tap the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're not already following me on Instagram, bounce over there, check me out, daily shenanigans and 1 or 2 sneak peeks on upcoming projects, other things that I do. Here's the Instagram link right here. I'll see you over there very soon. Stay safe, stay well, and for Pete's sake, keep smiling. On the next one, I'll see you soon. Toodle pip.